In this video, I'm going to be showcasing you how you can fix any other iPhone with a blank screen like this. So let's get started. Now, the first thing which you are going to do is to locate your volume up and volume down button along with this big side button. So you are going to follow this process, which is you are going to quickly press and release the volume up and then quickly press and release the volume down button and then hold on to the side button. So here I'm going to be doing the volume up, volume down, and then you hold on to the side button just like that. And you are going to be keep holding until you see the Apple logo appear and then you release it. And you wanted to try this method as many times as you need until you get that Apple logo to appear. So if it does not work for the very first time, then keep on trying it. This is going to be the way to fix that black screen issue. Now, for some reason, sometimes it goes into the DFU mode where it's stuck and it does not turn on just by pressing that side button itself. You just follow this method, quickly pressing, releasing, volume up, volume down, and then hold onto the side button. This method will not delete any of your personal data. All of your photos, videos, apps will still be available on your device. Basically, this is just forcing the phone to restart itself. So guys, I hope this video will be helpful in fixing the black screen on your iPhone that have a black screen. If you have any question, query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.